channel for another quick and easy recipe. Now for today, we're gonna be making these mini blueberry sponge bundt cakes, and they are so addicting after just one bite. They're super quick and easy to put together like all of my recipes. Let's get started. Starting off by adding to my cup 1/4 cup of fresh blueberries along with 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 2 egg yolks went in with 1/4 cup of sour cream and a zest of 1 lemon. I'm gonna mix these wet ingredients all up with my hand blender, or you could use a whisk as well by smashing the blueberries down to get that lovely color. Now once this is fully incorporated, I'm gonna go ahead and add my dry ingredients, which is 1 cup of flour and a teaspoon of baking powder. I'm gonna mix this just until it's incorporated. Be sure not to overmix so you have a nice and fluffy sponge cake. Once this is done, I'm gonna be putting it off to the side, and I'm whipping up 4 egg whites with a squeeze of lemon juice, and this is going to get folded into all of that blueberry mixture. I'm thinning a bit of the blueberries out a bit with the egg whites, then I'm gently going to be folding in the rest. Now if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. I post new videos every other day, so be sure to click that notifications bell. Add this to your very well greased and floured bundt pans and pop this into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 minutes. These are what the cakes look like when they're done. I'm going to put them on this cooling rack and start the glaze. This is 1 cup of powdered sugar along with 1/2 cup of blended up blueberry puree, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and a squeeze of 1/2 lemon. I'm going to whisk this together, and if it's a little too thin, you might need to add a bit more of that powdered sugar until you have a nice glazed consistency. I'm going to dip my mini bundt cakes into that glaze and place them on the cooling rack to allow the glaze to set. These little moist cakes are so incredibly addictive. The texture is so moist and light, and the mild blueberries are really shining here. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you're a true blueberry lover, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.